The Nebraska Department of Transportation website Wednesday morning indicated that Interstate 80 has reopened across the entire state. Much of Highway 30 has also reopened to traffic, except between Ogallala and the Wyoming border, which was still closed in both directions as of about 9 a.m. Wednesday. At one point Tuesday, I-80 and Highway 30 had been closed between Kearney and the Wyoming and Colorado borders due to blizzard conditions and low visibility. People traveling in the western half of the state should still use caution as most roads are partially covered with snow. Stay up to date on road conditions at 511.nebraska.gov. On Tuesday evening, Lincoln County officials posted on Facebook that hotels had reached capacity in the North Platte area and the rec center was opened as a shelter for any of the travelers that could not find a room.